Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that zero token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the zero token is the governance and utility token at the heart of the zero ecosystem, a decentralized network designed to empower creators and brands through social tokens, governance and access. Holding zero grants voting rights in the zero DAO and access to the ecosystems, tools, and treasury of Creators Coin ecosystem hub. It serves as the base currency for the platform, enabling the exchange of all creator tokens and connecting various communities. Fixed supply and distribution. The total supply is capped at 1 billion tokens distributed to users, creators, and team investors, and a community controlled ecosystem fund. Zero token project institution rating is 3.6. Zero token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 364.76 million zero token. Zero token is listed on Coinbase, Gate.io, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.